In this video, how to set up a Cash App account, I will show you step by step how to set up a Cash App account. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you use Android, open the Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Cash App. Find the official Cash App and tap Install. After the app is installed, open Cash App on your phone. Now tap the Sign Up option to create an account. Enter your phone number or email address. Cash App will send a verification code. Enter the code you received to confirm your account. Now enter your full name as requested. Type your home address correctly. After that, you can add a debit card. Enter the card details when requested. You can also skip this step and add it later. Now choose a $cashtag, which is your username on Cash App. Enter a unique name that will be used to receive payments. After that, confirm the information entered. Now your Cash App account will be set up. You can start sending and receiving money in the app. You can also add balance and make online payments. This is how you can set up a Cash App account easily.